OAM gives, means earlier earlier people used to do surgeries for back pain with X-rays and CM, or like doing X-rays during the surgery for the patient. But with X-rays, it gives a two-dimensional picture. It does not give a three-dimensional orientation. So the accuracy of surgery depends on three-dimensional orientation, and OAM is a technology which gives a three-dimensional orientation of the body. So that's how the complication rate comes down from 15% to 5%. So the risk of surgery, and that's 10% reduction, is a significant benefit to the patient. It uses the technology of GPRS, where what we use in day-to-day to locate any position. So it's like using GPRS technology in the operation theatre, and use so that the complications and the risk are less when we do surgery. Procedure is predominantly done for back pain surgery, where after patient is anesthetized, first a CT scan with the OAM is done, and then all the information is fed to the computer, and then the computer dictates or directs where to make the incision on the body, where to put where to identify the nerve, where to put the screws, where to put the plates. So that is how it works. And at the end of surgery, again we do a CT scan to confirm that whatever we have done is correctly done or not, so that we don't have to do again an X-ray or a scan after surgery on the next day and find that there is something wrong and again take the patient for surgery again. So the chances of going for a second surgery reduces drastically by using this kind of technology. The dose of radiation to the patient, when you do an X-ray in one or fluoroscopy in one surgery, one uses around 80 to 100 times exposure. So that's quite a lot of radiation for a particular patient. But for a patient is one-time surgery. But for the people working in the operation theatre, the doctors, the workers, the anesthesiologist, for them every day if they get exposed to so much of radiation, they are more prone for radiation-induced cancers and all those. So this is a way where the radiation to the people working in the medical profession will be less. So this is something which hospital is doing for the hospital workers. Normally they don't spend so much on looking at the welfare of the patient, but this hospital does it.